Welcome back. Now the last step in the product setup process is going to be to save this entire set of processes and then get the URL that you're going to use as your buy link. What you now have is a link that you can use to make clickable any button that you have in order to send the person to a checkout page. You can view what the checkout page is going to look like based on your design, and you can click this button. Once again, you'll notice that this page is going to be in sandbox mode, but this is the basic checkout, and you can look at your checkout in order to make changes or to use it as it is. Now, if you need to go back into the product settings, you can click this button. That'll take you back into the 4 processes, and you'll be back at the point at which you can make changes to the product. So what we've now done is a basic setup in order for you to place your product inside of Thrivecart. The product is being delivered to a membership site in Wishlist Member. And now we are ready to add on things like an affiliate program as well as a custom sales funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.